So diggity 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 hey, diggity 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 hey, diggity 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 hey, diggity 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 hey. In this car, you don't exist. Don't tell me what to do when you lose your keys and you crash into. In this life, I don't exist. Don't tell me what to do. You look pretty young for someone with a PhD. Are you really my dad? You're old.
Powder, cumin powder, and black pepper. Tapos ilagay na natin yung lentils na pinakuluan ko kanina. Ayan. Lagyan natin ng Knorr cubes chicken para masarap. Konting asin. Tapos lagyan na natin ang palaya. Ayan. Haluin konti. Sunod na natin yung kangkong. Maraming kangkong. Masarap. Mas marami yung kangkong kaysa lentils.